Hey, hello guys, welcome your faces to the 11th tutorial on front-end web development course. Myself, Samjin from Fawson Lakes. Now, let's see today's content. Today we are going through the CSS Box Model, the CSS Outline property. So, to see CSS Box Model, let's make a div called box and let's type something like in paragraph, let's do lorem 10. That's enough. So, you can see this, right? And right click on this thing and click on inspect and click on this inspect icon and just click it. So now all the CSS style property will be displayed here. So this part is called the box model. Even though you're doing nothing over here, the default tags has its own box model. Like it has some margin, padding, border, and so on. Okay. So this is the thing. This is the thing. This is the margin, then it's a border and it's padding, and finally it's a content. So consider you are doing something like using the header tag of lorem, or let's use it's Wednesday. So now click on this inspect tool and click on this Wednesday, and you can see some margin, no border. We also don't have padding, and finally the content. So each and everything has something in it, right? So this is the property of this box model. Like, let me visualize you. Each and every HTML document will contain the margin, the border, the padding, and finally the content. Only over here in this region, your content will be there. So this is what it's illustrated here. So it's an inspected tool. You can use it whenever you need. It's a default tool which is present in Chrome. So if you want to make any border over here, let's call this class in the CSS and let's choose border to px solid red. Okay, we have made a border for the div. Okay, so we must inspect our div. So no margin, right? We haven't specified any margin here. Then the border, can you see a difference over here? So see, when I hover over this border, it becomes a change in color, right? So it's border, and coming to our content, it's our content and it's our padding. Okay, have you all understood this? Now let's get into see what's CSS outline property. So consider you have a paragraph tag out, like we also can use this. I just copy and paste it here so you can see this, right? So coming to our outline, let's make this classes outline para. So I just save it and call that outline para. And first let's change its color to blue, I guess. Okay, now it's changing. So next, the outline. Outline is nothing but it's similar to the border property, but same like border, we can't do any customization for the out. Just we can make the outline in different looks like the solid one, the offset one, and so on. But we can't do anything like the rounded border or else to make separate border like the top one or the right, only the right one or the left one or the bottom one. If you do outline, it will be on all the four sides. And also it will not be a perfect rectangle. It will not also be converted into circle since it doesn't have any rounded path like a rounder attribute. Okay, so let's make it outline. Let's give 2px and we must specify the style. Okay, so let's just solve it right now. So you can see, right? And let's make a border too. Border, let's choose 3px red solid. See, you can see, right? The outline is the outline of the entire tag. So the border lies inside and the outline lies outside. So next, let me show you a thing. Like it's a offset, like outline, then offset. You can choose whatever size you want. Let's choose 3 pixels. This is nothing but it acts as a padding for only the outline. So I save it. So now see, there's a gap over here, right? If I choose it to 10 pixels, it will make a bigger box. So it's not so visible. So this is the offset property. If you don't want to specify directly in the single attribute like the border collapse, you can use this outline hyphen style. Then whatever you need, you can use. Okay. So if you use group, it will look like a group. See, wait, let me increase the size of around 20 pixels. You can see, right? Then you can also make the width also like this, outline width. Or you can change it to 3 pixels. You can do. And the next thing is the outline color. Outline outline color we choose red. So it's that, right? So I think I had explained you about outline. So I hope everyone has understood what I have taught. And let's recall. So the CSS box model, it's nothing but whenever the HTML document is made, it has some structure with the margin, the border, the padding, and finally the content. So this is called the CSS box model or else box model. And the outline property. Outline property is nothing but outlier or the outline that is made for a div or any tags. So the difference between the border and the outline is nothing but a border is a specific rectangular one, whereas the outline is not. And in border you can specify a specific width or the specific padding in each and every side, but in outline you can specify in overall like top, bottom, right and left equally. And you can't round the border and you cannot round the outline. So that's all guys for today's video. Do like, share and comment. And if you have any queries or any feedback regarding this video, do DM us on our Instagram account. And if you have any doubts regarding this video, do comment in the comment section. Bye bye guys. See you all on next tutorial.